Milk doors were a delightful feature in American homes, allowing for milk delivery without needing to open the main entrance. However, these quaint doors have become increasingly rare with the rise of refrigeration technology. Similarly, dumbwaiters functioned as small freight elevators in multi-story residences, facilitating the movement of items between floors. Yet, their presence diminished due to the conveniences of modern living and evolving lifestyles. Another distinctive architectural feature was the sunken living room, which added unique character to homes. Although these step spaces were once popular, they have gradually faded from contemporary home designs. The design of sunken living rooms drew inspiration from ancient Roman triclinium, which also sought to create inviting areas for social interaction. This connection emphasizes the historical significance of such architectural elements. Moreover, safety concerns, coupled with a trend towards open-concept designs, contributed to the decline of sunken living rooms. The preference for seamless transitions between spaces rendered these sunken areas less practical for today's lifestyles. In addition to sunken living rooms, the video highlights the appeal of colorful kitchen appliances, particularly shades like avocado green and harvest gold. These lively colors mirrored the era's fascination with nature and an organic lifestyle. Swing doors also played a practical role in American homes, ensuring smooth transitions between kitchens and dining areas. However, their decline reflects shifts in architectural preferences and safety considerations. Psychedelic wallpaper flourished in the 1960s and 70s, embodying the spirit of the counterculture movement. These vibrant patterns served as visual gateways to a transformative period in American history. Wood paneling became synonymous with mid-20th century American elegance, infusing homes with warmth and character. However, as design trends evolved, it fell out of favor due to shifting aesthetic preferences. The appeal of shag carpeting emerged, reflecting the bold and eclectic aesthetics of the 1970s. This distinctive feature became a hallmark of many American homes during that era. However, growing concerns about cleanliness and upkeep led to the decline of shag carpeting as minimalism gained traction. Homeowners increasingly favored hardwood floors and low-pile carpets for their practicality. Despite its decline in contemporary homes, shag carpeting evokes nostalgia for the groovy styles of the past. It remains cherished by those who appreciate vintage aesthetics. Laundry chutes offered efficiency by streamlining the task of transporting clothes, particularly beneficial for large households. They saved both time and effort for residents. Jelly bean-shaped pools emerged as a playful trend in mid-20th century American homes, reflecting a move towards whimsical outdoor designs that contrasted with traditional pool shapes. Grandfather clocks, renowned for their exquisite craftsmanship, symbolized family heritage and tradition. Yet, their popularity waned as modern timekeeping technologies gained prominence in the mid-20th century. The introduction of modern countertop materials like granite and quartz has largely supplanted the need for pull-down cutting boards in kitchens, offering durability alongside aesthetic appeal. Furthermore, changes in cooking habits, particularly the increased reliance on portable cutting boards, contributed to the decline of pull-down boards in contemporary kitchens, reflecting evolving culinary practices. Although pull-down cutting boards are rare in new constructions, they evoke nostalgia for a period when efficient space utilization was paramount in kitchen design, symbolizing a different era of home cooking. Murphy's innovative creation stemmed from his aspiration to craft a romantic setting in a small apartment, blending practicality with personal dreams, ultimately leading to the development of a space-saving bed. As mid-century design embraced open floor plans, Murphy beds faced competition from conventional beds, as many favored permanence and stability over temporary sleeping solutions. Interestingly, Murphy beds found utility beyond residential spaces, making their way into hotels, ships, and hospitals, showcasing their adaptability in environments where space is at a premium.